Hello great people, welcome back again to Florevrard's kitchen. Today I am doing something different. Yeah, I'm not cooking a Cameroon food but a Thai food, one of my favorites in Thailand, and it's a favorite to majority of foreigners in this country. This is a very special soup, and most often they do it per person. If you are going to a restaurant to buy this, they will always do it per person. When they are done with your own, they go to the next person and do it. But if you are doing it as a family, you will require much of the quantity of what I have displayed here. So for this recipe, the quantity is for 2 people. It is called Kra Pao Moo Krop in Thai language, but in English we say holy fried basil. Holy fried basil leaves. In Cameroon, we usually call this leaf as, is it masepu? Yes, this is masepu. We always call it masepu. There is another leaf we also call kotmanjo. This should be masepu. Yes, because I think kotmanjo is the bigger size. So this one is called, in English, the holy basil leaves. This leaf is so of much importance. It helps in a lot of things in the system, such as for digestion. It helps to cleanse your kidney and the liver. It helps to lower sugar level, also helps to lower cholesterol, and also help for heart disease. Many use for this particular vegetable, and most of all is this a spiritual leaf. That's why it's called holy basil, because in many spiritual cases they use this leaf and also for protection. Yeah, so it's a very important leaf. So just imagine you cooking this as a meal. In this recipe, you don't need to blend your garlics and ginger. You just need your mortar and pestle to crush your garlic and your chili. Sorry, there is no ginger in this recipe, just your garlics and the chili. And your garlic can be at any quantity that you like, because it's a traditional recipe and it requires a lot of it. Because it's healthy. Yes, it's very healthy. And I'll also be needing green pepper. And in this recipe, we call it Kra Pao Moo Krop. Moo Krop simply means fried pork or fried crispy pork, something like that. And we'll also be needing our onions. This recipe, you do not need to slice onions like with the way we slice in Cameroon when we want to cook stew. You just need to make it a little bit bigger. This is optional, carrots, but so I will be needing that, and a teaspoon of sugar. Yeah, this fried vegetable cannot be completed without sugar. A little bit of it, some salt, our seasoning, and here are the ingredients that spices up this particular vegetable. The first one is this, your oyster sauce. I'll be needing a tablespoon of this. I'll be needing my fish sauce. This one is also called fish sauce. And I'll be needing a tablespoon of this as well. And the tin soy sauce, this one, the tin soy sauce. I'll be needing a tablespoon also. This one is optional. It's very kem. Kem simply means it's very salty. So you just need just little drop of it. You don't need much. So you need to put this just a little drop of this. And I'll also be needing some vegetable oil. Without any waste of time, please let's dive into our cooking. This recipe is eaten with boiled rice, or you can eat it with any other carbohydrate. To start, I'm going to start with the vegetable to pick the leaves. I'm putting this one together. Yes, I love it, but you can still leave it. You can still take that out. Watching our chili and the garlics. Please, when you're crushing this, you should be careful with your eyes. But this is the only best method to do, because we do not need this to be too smooth. Okay, so that's what we want. That's the consistency we want. It's not to be too smooth. In a heated pot, we add in our vegetable oil, a little bit of that. After the oil is hot, you now bring in the crushed chili and garlic. Add in the onions. Just make sure you bring in your fish sauce and bring in our oyster sauce, tin soy sauce, tablespoon is enough. Soybean paste formula. Check out the brand very well. This you don't need a lot of it, just a sip, a little bit. A drop of that will be enough. Bring in your carrots, some salt, Maggi, sugar, bring in your holy basil. Just give that a good stir. If you like much oil, you can add it some oil. I'll put in a little bit of water, just a drop of water. Okay. Guys, here comes our Kra Pao Moo Krop. You do not need to let that cook for long, no? Once you pour in your vegetable, you just need to stir it a little bit and it's done. So I'm going to be eating this delicacy with rice, like I said, and with Kai Diao. Kai Diao is fried egg. That's the combination we always do. So this is it. If you want oil, you can put, but I like it this moist with a little bit of oil and a little bit of water. So this is our Kra Pao Moo Krop.